JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we've got the Green Lantern here, and we mask them off with the blue tape around the legs, and you want to get that precise when you do this, and around the arms, because those parts are black. His bottom part boots, I think, are green. So we're going to spray paint this green, so stay tuned. Okay, we taped them off in the center, and I'm talking funny because I got a mask on for my breathing, and we're going to spray paint the black legs. Okay, we got to turn this back a little bit. And we're going to proceed like that. So we just got the black done there, and the gloves are white. And any overspray you get, don't worry about the gloves, you can always cover it over. And the hair is brown, and there's the mask again is black. So that's going to be painted in detail with a small brush. So let's continue. I took the mask off and I put a little bit of Model Air in here. It's a Carlo number 71027, and we're going to use that for the gloves. You see how you get that? It wants to show through. Well, that's why you have to go over with 2 coats. Okay. I think we'll get a better brush here and going here. Let's see if we can get try this brush. You actually need I call these slob brushes. They're the bigger brushes. They're not so detailed. But when you apply the paint, you can really cover the model very well, the figure. Get a good coverage in that first coat, and then let it dry, because you're going to go over it with a second coat. Figure modeling is very rewarding. Painting, the painting part is fun, the making it is fun. I suppose you could do primes. I'm gonna get eventually to doing, planes and a couple tanks or whatever, and submarines. But I really dig the figure models. They're fun to do. They're very challenging to do. Not saying, that the others aren't. No, it depends what you like, So I'll finish that up and I'll show you afterwards. So now we're going to do his hair. And maybe I can get this in focus here for you guys to see. And I use this is a burnt umber for the hair. I think it'd be very good to use that color. And again, when you're putting the paint on, you want to go, if the hairs are going this way, try to go the other way. Try to go horizontally. Kind of looks like a black, but what does the box look like? Can lighten that up a little bit. I'm putting a combination of the burnt umber and what I put on the gloves for the hair, so I'm going in with the burnt umber first, and then I'm laying the the color that I used on the gloves, the Carlo, on top of that. So I'll just switch brushes here and pick up some of this Carlo, go over it a little bit. And go back to the other brush and put some of that burnt umber in it and mix it together. These little plastic dishes are very useful. I'm sorry if I don't have the figure right on the camera here so you can see what I'm doing, but you get the picture. He's got like a brown. You could use a brown, just a basic brown for his hair. Like that. So there he is. See how he looks? A little glare from the light. There's a better look at him. Front of him. Okay. Now let's go in and I still got to do the edges here. He's got quite a hairstyle, sharp looking hairstyle. Okay, so now let's get out the smaller brush, put him down for a minute, and get the black. I only need a little bit of the black out on my palette here, and that's even that's too much that I squeezed out. And I'm going to go in with a very tiny brush and do his mask. So I'll show you that afterwards. So here he is, all done. I still have a few touch-ups to do around the legs and some other areas, but that's what he looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And, you know, I'm going to finish this video. I'm going to finish up the rest of this. I got to do the base and everything else. So I'll show you that later. But this is just a figure for now. Okay? Have a great day.